The Drone Expo and Conference 2025 at Hyderabad was not just an event, it was a revolution taking flight. Thousands of visitors, hundreds of innovators, one dream to empower India with cutting-edge UAV and homeland security technologies. And now, the journey is continues. The Drone Expo and Conference Mumbai 2025 is calling you.
We brought together policymakers, industry leaders, brave startups, defense forces, and brilliant young minds, all in one historic gathering. Innovations was showcased, partnership was born, a new India was envisioned.
From anti-system drones to GIS mapping brilliance, from practical drones to agricultural marvels, the Expo witnessed the future right here in Bharat. This September, come where visionaries converge, where future technologies unfold, where Bharat's aerial ambitions take flight. Showcase your drones, launch your ideas, power India's next big leap.
Drone Expo and Conference Mumbai 2025. Register today. Be the force behind India's sky revolution. Jai Hind.